As the world is observing the International Day of Families today, the Kashmiri families in occupied Kashmir continue to face miseries and victimization at the hands of Indian Army and police for demanding their right to self-determination. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of Families today said Jammu and Kashmir, being the most militarized zone in the world, has witnessed killings, enforced disappearances, torture, rapes and other brutalities by the Indian forces over the last 3 decades. More than 8,000 vanished only in the custody after they were arrested by the Indian Army, police and paramilitary forces during cordon and search operations and house raids since 1990. Posters again appeared in Srinagar and different areas of the valley urging the people to observe a complete strike on May 22nd against the hosting of G20 meeting by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government in Srinagar. The call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. The posters were pasted by All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by different groups in Srinagar, Budgam, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Islamabad, Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam and other areas of the occupied territory. Ahead of the G20 meeting in Srinagar, India's dreaded National Investigation Agency and State Agency, along with the Central Reserve Police Force personnel, conducted raids in the Kashmir Valley and Jammu region. The NIA conducted raids in Pulwama, Shopian, Islamabad and Kulgam district. The raids were going on till the last reports came in. Attacks on several Muslim students by the Hindutva Goons at the Government Medical College Jammu have triggered protests, with victim students sitting on roads in college campus demanding actions against the culprits. The Muslim students said that the situation turned worse when some Hindutva students posted messages against the Muslim community on WhatsApp groups after watching the film The Kerala Story, to which the Muslim students raised some strong objections.